guys, and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be playing Phantom Forces. So we will be playing with Tapjoys and
Oh, this is a good one. It is.
we will be playing with Tapjoys and
David, remember this?
James Sillymorph.
David Meeboy, remember this?
So,
Oi, David Meeboy, remember this? This one is so fun. Oh, look, a swimming pool with no
okay, I'm gonna love this map, guys. Where's Tapjoys? He's not on our team. No, I spawned with the wrong gun.
Yeah, here.
I always have to. Die.
Double LOI.
Yes! Oh, Glock 17 laser.
I killed James.
Oh, yeah. I love the Glock 17, but I'm gonna do AK-12. Now my secondary, Glock 17, attachments, barrel, no, it's optics, other, laser. Yes. Okay, it was literally the last one I tried. Be ready for me to spawn on. Good. This is a good assault map.
Come on, get out. Come back.
Yeah, I saved a bit for you. Okay, so we're gonna try to shoot as many people as possible. Try not to die.
Isn't that the main goal of the game?
No, sometimes it's capture the own.
Honey badgers? Yeah.
So
Hey, David, I'm something that's gonna kill you. I have to point.
honey badger. Whoa. That was crazy.
Oh, he stabbed me.
Lydia, James, do you have a time
The timer is the video.
Dang. AUGA1. It's very hard to.
Hey, bro.
If this were real life, we'd all be dead.
I did not mean to stop. You did multiple times.
Well, yeah. Okay, hold on, guys. I need to do something. Okay, guys, so, yeah, we're back here, and, getting ready for, an awesome whooping to the red team. I think they were good. I have no idea. I did already. Okay, so,
Sake, everything.
I thought that said missed right there on the weapons.
The greenhouse is the most destructible thing.
Tim,
I
you're
absolutely
in.
destroyed the greenhouse. Somewhat.
Hey! I was in there.
Dude, that guy is awesome. As you can see, I only have 205 kills. And over twice as many deaths!
Yeah. Oh!
No! I'm 45. Oops. Pew pew! Where's all the action? Don't look directly into the sun.
In reality, of course, it's a completely bad idea.
Yeah, but it's also really bright
Glowing gun. Okay.
in the game.
Okay. It's a magical glowing gun. Ouch. Fell.
I want to come and shoot as many people as I can.
Hey, David. My master hiding spot
Even though.
on top of the cabinet.
No! Come on! Come on,
I snuck
bruh.
right behind you, man.
Come on,
You didn't
bruh.
even notice me.
Come on, bruh.
One of the most accomplished things ever done. Backstab brother. And person who randomly spawned on him. My team has control of the trees.
Okay.
Tough luck, suckers. Ah!
It's usually the winning team who has control. So are you winning?
But this is a team deathmatch. Not King of
Bah! Bah. Okay, car windows are bulletproof. That's comforting.
Is that as bad as the Swiss Hebrew bullet bag?
Well, you can have that one and I'll just eat hers and
The amazing panda guy. Oh!
My team has control of the treehouse. Oh, not anymore.
Not for long.
Was that you? Yep, that was you.
I just noticed you and waited until you went
Okay, so I have a laser for my Glock 17.
You got a laser on that?
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Well, I do best with the Glock 17. It's my second favorite gun. My favorite is the AK-12, but I'm not as good with it.
Okay, so I'm going to come up. I'm not in the treehouse. Yeah.
Okay, not so long though.
Dang it!
simmer.
I forgot this thing was out.
No! That sucked. UK2. That sucked.
Burn it. Burn it. Somebody's over there.
That dude. He deserves a good whooping. Whooping! Okay, let's do this.
Throw the grenade.
Kaboom.
I hurt someone with my grenade.
How do you get grenades?
Throw it in the house. You just hold down G. This little.
Well, to cook a grenade, you hold down G. To throw a grenade, you just press.
So you hold down B to get grenades?
Ah!
No, you press G to get one, and I hope that guy
Check.
does not die.
9.
Good, he didn't die. Because that was quite a fail of grenade. Dang it, I'm out of grenades.
What about failed grenade?
I threw a grenade trying to get it through a doorway. But instead, it bounced off the wall right next to the doorway into the room.
That's a nice gun, dude. I wish I had that skill.
A nice gun, dude.
I know, huh?
Huh, parkour! Parkour, parkour, parkour. Let me on top.
When I first heard that song, I was wondering why in the world would you want a Gundam that wasn't even closed? Sounds incredibly dangerous. But apparently the song about open Gundams was very much in style.
Oh! I died.
Apparently so.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Bulletproof armor, you got a vacuum of space
What?
as the largest danger to your life.
What? What'd you say?
You use bulletproof armor when the biggest threat to your life is the vacuum of space. Rare.
Skulls. Skulls.
M60!
Technically, it's the M16. And the AK-47 is the Russian guy. You what?
Ahem.
Hey, look, my M1911 disappeared. Ah! Tired monkey. Where?
Whoa! My Gonzola. Okay. Sorry guys, we're gonna have to end the video before this match is even done. Probably. Hopefully not.
Nonetheless, this is fun.
Yes. So,
You'll have to end around the 15.
hope y'all liked it. Like and subscribe if you would like to
Still
see.
got 30 seconds.
Can we get to 5 likes? I'll keep on doing.
That would be wonderful.
Yes, that would be.
Yes, it would be absolutely wonderful.
Yes. I would love 5 likes. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Like and subscribe and call it good. Goodbye.